Today I'm making a delicious Greek chicken casserole. Now usually I use rotini noodles for this. Today I happen to have these cavatappi noodles in my pantry, so that's what I'm going to cook to make this. And the only stuff you cook in advance is the noodles as well as some chicken that is shredded. Leftover turkey works great, or whatever. And then as you can see, there's quite a few other ingredients that we'll go through. We'll just add everything to a bowl. The pasta, the shredded chicken. This is a packet of spinach that's been thawed and squeezed, olives, onions, green peppers, and some spices. And then a large can of tomato sauce, as well as a regular sized can of diced tomatoes. This makes all the sauce for this casserole. Now you just stir all these ingredients together till everything's all well distributed. Nice and saucy is how I like to think of it. And then you're going to need a 13x9 casserole dish. I like to spray it first just to prevent the sticking, and then transfer this all into that dish. Sprinkle the top with some feta cheese first, and then follow with some mozzarella cheese. Everybody knows it's not a casserole unless you have a nice layer of cheese on top, right? Once this is all in this dish, this is ready to bake. We're going to bake it at 400 degrees for 25 minutes. And after that, it is bubbly and ready to serve. This is a delicious casserole with probably different flavors than you normally have. I hope you give it a try, because if you do, I know you'll love it.